Welcome back to another episode of price action trading on Bank Nifty. We will see what were the good setups for trades on Bank Nifty based on 5-minute charts. So as we can see, the Bank Nifty is in a continuous uptrend since the 19th of April, and today we were very lucky to get a gap down opening so that we can get another re-entry into the Bank Nifty trend. Now this first bar, it opened here and it went all the way up till here and closed here. So classic candlestick analysts would term this as a bearish bar, but we all are becoming smart price action traders, so we know that this is actually a very strong bullish bar, and this whole tail is not weakness but it is strength, and it's a bullish flag. This next bar also was a pause, and then the market turned up. Now how do we identify this as a bullish flag? Let's go on a smaller time frame and see when this was being formed and this was being formed, what was the price action on 1-minute charts. So on 1-minute charts, markets opened gap down, went all the way up till here, and then it closed here, and then these next few minutes it formed a bearish flag, and then it reverted here towards the upside to continue its uptrend. So whenever we see a flag like this, we should be careful not to term it as a bearish flag, but see it as a bullish flag, that the market went all the way up here and then closed here, because then in the next leg it has to go up and continue its upward momentum. So the first trade of the day would have been when the high of this bar would have crossed, and the target would have been till it met the moving average. The second trade of the day definitely would have been at the close of this bar, because after such a powerful upward move, the market took some profit booking at around the moving average, and this was a classic reversal bar, and the trade would have been when this bar crossed the high of this bar, and the target would have been till we see on price action what can be the bar which alerts us to exit. So on the breach of this bar, we would have profit here, there is a bullish flag, and then again the continuation. This is a doji which gave us some indication that the upward trend is exhausting now, and this reversal, because the bodies are matching, so we would have exited this trade on the close of this bar. So this would have been 2 trades for the day. The third trade was a longer continuation pattern. When we see this whole pattern, it is nothing but a triangle. So let's see how we can draw the triangle. So whenever there is a very strong momentum and a triangle pattern forms, most likely it breaks in the direction of the existing trend. So the existing trend is on the upside, there is the continuation triangle pattern, and then the break from the triangle is again towards the upside. And if we zoom in, we will see that this particular bar, gave us the hint that we should have taken the trade on the long side. Let's see closely, as smart price action traders, what were the hints. So we can see we have one leg down next to the moving average, then another second leg down, then this flag, this bar, it opened here, went down, went up, and then closed here. So it is like a continuation bearish flag, and then the next action would be down, but this doji bar failed this bearish flag. Up, down, and then up, down here. This is like a flag on a smaller time frame, and then we would have second leg down, but this bar failed this bearish flag, and this particular bar was a micro bottom, double bottom. What is the meaning of micro double bottom? So this bar took a bottom close to this bar, so we can see that first our bearish flag has failed because of this bar, and this bar wanted to continue, start opening from here, wanted to go all the way down, breach this bar. So many people would have taken a short entry, but then it reversed trapping in lots of bears and also trapping out lots of longs, because many longs would have exited when this bar breached the low of this bar. Their stop losses would have got hit and many longs would have exited and many bears would have got trapped who took the entry on the breach of this low. And once this bar closed and we have a micro double bottom, I took a trade at the close of this bar with a target to reach the moving average. So my target was met. Then I had kept one lot open to see if I can have more profit. But on this particular bar, my stop loss was hit for the last lot at cost. And after this trade, the market just reclaimed the moving average, especially this bar. We can see an uptrend, correction, classic touching of the moving average, reversal, and from here after the close of this bar, which reversed this bar and touching of the moving average, the market just continued to stay in a sustained uptrend, and it was just buy on dip, buy on dip, buy on dip, and buy on dip. And on this particular powerful bullish reversal, bearish reversal bar, we should have exited the trade, because then the market was in profit booking mode and it just went and reached the moving average. So these were the trades for today. Where is this line coming from? It is not from this high, but I had drawn it few days earlier. And this line is coming from this high. So even for tomorrow, let's see what is our outlook going to be and what is the good price action setups for tomorrow. So three scenarios can happen. One is if the market opens at the same price level around here, then definitely we will see a move on the upside to meet this price line and to reach this top again. If the market opens gap down, most likely around this price level, the market opens somewhere here again, we will see that the market will try to go up and reclaim this high, and then the third will be if the market just opens here or above that, then we will just wait, because our target would have been achieved, and we will see how the price action happens during the rest of the day. And being a Friday, we will be careful to take the trades. Now if the market opens here or here, then what will be our price target? So one target will be here, which is around 48,630. The next target would be around 48,705. The next target would be around here 48,800. And the last target, because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, all these bars are finding resistance here. So the last target can be 48,950. So if the market sustains its upward move tomorrow, we can have these four targets. First target says 48,630. The second target of the second target of 48,700, the third target of 48,800, and the last target of 48,950. And obviously the market is in uptrend and the move will continue. And what what the charts are telling is that this price action will continue till this price reaches either this bar, this trend line, or this trend line. More or less it's looking like the same thing, and then after that we will see whether it breaks it on the upside or there is a correction on the downside. So that's all from me today, guys. Do like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them and I'll be more than happy to answer them. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks.